Hello everyone, my name is Walton. I'm the Web Optimisation Manager for Allianz Pet, and thanks for having me this morning. Really excited to be here. And I'll kick off with my favourite slide to start with. So yeah, any guesses what I do? Pet is right. But yeah, quick show of hands, how many dog people we've got in the room today? Nice. Cat people? Don't care as long as it's fluffy, cute? Yeah? Cool. I've got a good audience, like it. Right, my cat mood scale. How's everyone feeling this morning? Who's 1 and 2? Don't know really what's going on. Am I in the right place? No? Great. Oh, 1 at the back. Okay. Number 3, had way too much coffee. Yeah, good. Like it. Any 4s and 7s? Haven't got out of bed yet, really. Need a bit more coffee. Yeah, cool. 5 and 6, these are just scared of what the other cats look like, to be honest. Number 8, confident, ready to seize the day. Yeah, a few at the back, yeah. And number 9, want to know where the bar is and what time it opens. Cool, love it. Cool, well, I'm going to speak to you today about Allianz as a global brand as well, and how we're set up in the UK. And then I'm going to move on to Allianz Pet, which is the area that we work in, my team. And then I'm going to finish off with how we work with Contentsquare, which is what we're here all for today. Allianz is a global brand, 125 million customers worldwide, in over 70 countries. And we're the 25th largest company globally, and just over 156,000 employees worldwide as well. And as of 2024, we had a total business volume of 180 billion euros, which is absolutely ginormous. Really proud as a brand ambassador of Allianz. We have won the best global insurer again for the 7 years running, but apologise, a little bit small. But what is also pretty cool is in the total global brands list, we are sitting at 27, and we've just picked Netflix at the post. But there's some really big brands here as well that just kind of showcases how big we are as a global brand. You've got the likes of Visa there, Sony, MasterCard, Pepsi, and PayPal as well. So that's pretty cool. We're a growing brand in the UK as well, so any rugby fans out of there, we acquired the Allianz Stadium in 2024. I keep getting told off for still calling it Twickenham. But yeah, that's my bad. It is the Allianz Stadium, and I've been fortunate enough to go to watch some rugby matches as well, which is pretty cool. This is how we're set up in the UK. So we've got Colm at the top of the tree as our CEO. We've got Ulf, who looks after our personal lines. So this is Allianz Car Insurance, Allianz Home Insurance, and also in the LV brand as well that we own. We've got Fong, who looks after our brokers and commercial guys. And then the area that we sit in is headed up by Bella, and we're all about pet insurance. It's what we live and breathe. And we've got the 2 brands that sit underneath that, which is both our market-leading pet plan and LV Pet as well. A little bit about our business. So we're based just close to Windsor at the Pet Centre of Excellence. Pretty cool office environment. I've got a picture later on to show you. We have doggy desks, so dogs are encouraged into the office. We have regular puppy cuddling sessions, cat cuddling sessions, so great obviously for the health and well-being. And yeah, pretty cool work environment to be around as well. We've got a portfolio of leading pet brands as well, so it's not just small animal. We also look after horse insurance as well. And then obviously we've got LV Pet brand as well that supports pets, and that plays in the price comparison side of the market, where, as I'll show you in a bit, pet plan is just predominantly direct, so a bit like the Nationwide Direct Line model that they had. But we're all kind of built on a deep understanding of pets. We love pets, it's everything that we do. And we've got a plethora of experts in and around the business as well to help us do that. So what drives our success? We are the number 1 in the market. I'm proud to say it. But that also comes with a target on our back as well, so we can't seem to be resting on our laurels. We insure over 1.3 million pets in the UK, and that ranges across cats, dogs, and rabbits as well. And obviously we have our horse business as well. And we're really proud of our retention rates, which are both market and industry leading. So over 90% of our customers renew with us each year, which is a massive testament to us as a business. And obviously our Trustpilot score is excellent, and how we love to market across as many websites and pages as we can as well. Supported by obviously loads of awards that our products have won within the market and the industry. So you should obviously recognise Which and De facto being very financial services led as well. Probably the most proud one we have there is our Vet Trust Awards winner as well. So we're the only pet insurance brand that's got this accreditation, and it just kind of shows how trusted we are by the guys in the vet surgeries as well. As I said before, we are the UK's #1 pet insurance brand, strongest brand perception, awareness, and we are most trusted by vets, charities and pet experts as well. We're the NPS loyalty leader as well, and as I said before, we operate only in the direct channel, not in price comparison website. That is a strategic decision that we've made, and we pride ourselves on being the best in the business. And it's not all about price, which leads me nice onto this slide, which is what makes us special. So just our sheer scale and expertise within the market puts us ahead of the competition. Our service excellence, so 97% of our claims we pay out, which is one of the top in the market. We pay 61% of them within 1 day, so really quick turnaround. We know when customers need us, we're there. And then also our people and purpose, so everyone in the business, obviously we're all pet loving specialists. We tap into our vet surgeries, our charities, our experts, and then we re-promote those on our websites and content as well, so people can engage with, learn about puppies, learn about cats, horses, rabbits, whatever it may be. And as I said before, we've got some really good products within the market that have won a series of awards. And what we like to do, different to our competitors, is we want to price for the whole lifetime of the pet, not just for its first year. We want to be able to look after it for its whole lifetime. And kind of what's special to our products is, unlike a lot of our competitors, we don't claims load. So when you do need us, we're not going to charge you for and penalise you for claiming on your insurance, like a lot of the other competitors do. Just a quick slide on some of the partnerships that we have, and I've had over 45 years experience with. So some real big brands here: Dogs Trust, Cats Protection, RSPCA. So obviously we deliver a lot of the content, reshare, collaborate with these guys as well, to really have some really strong marketing content to help our customers. And then the market itself. So in the UK, we're a pet loving nation. It's a really aggressive market, 90+ providers, and growing as well. So as I said before, we have got a target on our back. We are #1, but we need to kind of keep pushing. And different to how you kind of people understand their home and car insurance, it's not mandatory, obviously, pet insurance. So it's more of an emotional buy rather than rational. And it obviously, people want to know when they're claiming for their pets, they're going to get the best service from us as well. And some challenges we've got as well. It's not a simple product as well to communicate to our customers. Excuse me. So it's kind of a real big challenge of ours to make sure it's in simple layman's terms that people can understand on our websites as well. And it's really price sensitive, of course. So yeah, that's obviously something we've got to consider. And that wraps us into a massive opportunity within the market. So a staggering 70% of pets are uninsured in 2025. So that's a huge bit of the market to go after. And how to do that is simplifying your range of choice. So not baffling the customer with loads of different products. Building trust as well, which is obviously what we love to do. And then supporting our customers when they're in the time of need. So obviously if your pet's ill, it's a sad time, want to make sure you've got everything covered. And then I put this slide in here because it'll make more sense later on with kind of our future with Contentsquare and how we're adopting it. So we've got a really passionate call center team, and you know, there's over 200 of the guys, really great bunch of guys, over 100 million customer calls they get each year, which is staggering. And the great thing is we train them on Contentsquare as well, so they can also see and marry up any complaints that we've got and how well they've experienced our website and why they've called our call centre. Happy to announce it is our 2-year work anniversary with Contentsquare as of last month. So yeah, it's flown by, but we've done loads of things together and managed to achieve quite a lot in a relatively short space of time. And also just playing on some of the successes we've had so far. So we did have Glassbox, moved over to Contentsquare in February 2024. and it's just been a breath of fresh air, really. We did have some challenges with our old provider, but now it's safe to say we've got a really strong CSM. So heads up to Ines wherever she is, and Jake as well. And Jake, who keeps selling me things, so you need to stop doing that. Really proud we won bronze, hoping similar to the Nationwide ladies. Want to get gold next year for best digital team for the DX Awards. That's a really good night, so I highly recommend getting your submissions in for next year. And we're really proud now that we use Contentsquare solely to inform our testing roadmap as well going forwards. So it's all data coming from the platform, informing our business decisions through our websites. I thought this was a nice little slide just to kind of showcase our bit of cycle of web optimization that we use. So we always like to lead with data insights in everything that we do. So we'll obviously get analytics from the Contentsquare platform, also supplemented from Hotjar as well. So what our customers feeding back to us live on the site, also on product analytics, how they engage with us from our devices as well. So are they looking for a quote on their phone, but then going to their laptop to order their policy with us, and just seeing those kind of patterns as well. We then move into our on-site testing, which we execute through Adobe Test and Target. And then we analyze our test reports through the Contentsquare platform as well, which is absolutely key because then we can share those results with our colleagues in Allianz Car and Pet, which we now do on an often basis to successful tests and unsuccessful tests as well, which is great. And then obviously those winning tests we push to the live site as well. And then it goes around again. We start obviously hypothesizing, getting the insights again. What's the next test? What's the next big opportunity? Obviously using the Contentsquare data. Have we adopted it and some of our training? So I think onboarding was probably the biggest thing for us. We now have, within my team especially, so everyone who joins my team has their training modules on Contentsquare in their induction program, which is absolutely key because we want to get the adoption as big as possible, as many people using it as well. So right from the start of their journey within my team as well. So that's really important, and highly encourage anyone else who obviously is on that journey as well to do the same thing. Cross-business adoption as well. So we've tried to get this across as many teams as possible. So we've got our claims team on it, we've got our risk team on it, we've got our brand marketing team on it. So you've got unlimited licenses to use them because it's a great platform. And you're not kind of held to kind of a certain amount of licenses that you can use. So get it adopted as far and as wide as possible because it comes even more powerful then as well. We have regular workshops in our office as well. As you can see, we drag our CSM in a lot, as well as Jake as well, to kind of workshop ideas. Look, again, all of this is using Contentsquare data, and we come out the end with lots of great opportunities and testing ideas off the back of it as well. And I can highly recommend the professional services hours that Contentsquare provide. Big shout out to Nate because we try and steal him every time we put a request in because he's so good. He's like an extension of our team, really. He knows us as a brand, knows our websites and journeys inside out. So I can highly recommend to use those professional services hours in your contract. And we regularly buy more as well because they really help out because obviously we've all got day jobs. We don't necessarily all the time have time to go into the platform, do a deep dive on a certain area or a journey as well. So those professional service hours are really good. And then final, strong enablement, as I said before, immerse yourself into the training that Contentsquare provides because it's exceptionally good. We found that that's probably the biggest lever that we had to learn the platform as quickly as possible. There was no such thing as a silly question, and it just helped us adopt the tool as quickly as possible, really, and get the value out of it. So a bit of product analytics and how we've used it. So we have two journeys within LV. So unlike Pet Plan, we are in the price comparison market as well. So this is a new view that we didn't have previously. And this kind of showed us about 40% of our customers started on our aggregator journey. So come through, compare the market, landed on our website, and then actually came back to order direct through our website. This ultimately gave us a huge optimization that we weren't aware of to make sure that we carried through the compare the market brand back to our site or Money Supermarket or wherever they came through. And we saw really good benefit off the back of that as well. And vice versa. So it gave us the view to how many started in our direct quote and buy, but then went back into the price comparison websites to order because there was an Amazon voucher or an incentive there as well. So we got some really good business insight off the back of product analytics. And even more staggering, we actually found a blocking journey that we didn't know how many customers were hitting this until we enabled product analytics. And we saw that a staggering 30% of our customers were hitting this horrible block journey where it was taking them offline and putting them into the, taking them offline and putting them into the call center. We've just recently unblocked this now, as in this week. So obviously we want to try and maintain as many customers online as possible. We wouldn't have had this data without product analytics enabled. So it's kind of really showcasing where the opportunities are for growth, improvement as well. And what's next for us for Heap? So we've obviously adopted the platform on our digital estate, but next we're going to plug our call center data into it as well, which kind of really turbocharges it and gives you that 360 view of your customer. So similar to what we were looking at before around tracking customers from price comparison websites and then into our journey as well, we can now see where customers are choosing to get a quote online, but then ultimately calling us up to order, understanding what the themes and topics are for improvement as well. Is there something in the online journey that's putting them off and causing them to call and have more questions? So it's ultimately going to give us a full rounded view of all our customers as well. So again, what devices are they using? What's the patterns? What's the trends as well? So we can obviously optimize going forward and build a really sleek journey. Because obviously we've got a remit within my team. I want to keep all my customers online as possible, but I need to know where they're leaving us, which this will obviously provide us with. And we've just started to use VOC as well, and we've found some really good results already with it. So the problem we had with our old solution is we were getting feedback such as, your journey's shit. I can't do a lot with that. There's no actionable items. So with the Contentsquare VOC, we can get really granular with it as well. We can see what the customer did with session replays. It's all connected. So if they have got a struggle point, we can see exactly what they did on our website, what they clicked. Was it a button that was broken? Was it information that wasn't clear to them? And we can really drill down and get those theme patterns on if it's a customer frustration point. The AI tool in there is amazing as well. It takes all the hard work away from you, builds your keywords, word maps. So if anyone's saying you're too expensive, that'll be a massive word in your word map. Or underwriting isn't very clear. You can really pick those themes up really quickly. It generates an automatic report for you as well. So it really does take all that hard work away from your team and delivers you insight instantaneously as well. And then my next slide, yep. So another way we've been using it as well is on our marketing pages. So this has ultimately helped us be able to optimize the content on our sites as well. So we've got various feedback surveys as well as rating systems. So we didn't have anything in place before to optimize any of this content. So now we've got rankings so we can see which pages are working, which pages are helpful for our customers, which aren't, so we can remove the ones that aren't working or optimize them, make them better. And then obviously make sure we know which ones are working hard for us and then grow on that theme and create more content around that area as well. And we've just seen lots of great optimizations and responses from our customers as well. I was a bit dubious about this because I thought, how many customers are actually going to give us solid feedback on this? But it's actually been staggering on how involved people are within the content that we push out to our customers. And as I said, the AI tool is an absolute godsend because it just does all the hard work for you in VOC as well. That's me. That's a doggy desk. And that's our doggy part that we've got at the office as well. So yeah, come and find me later if you've got any other questions. Happy to have a chat. Cool.